Step 15. Launching your product. The way you launch your product will determine how quickly it gains visibility and sales. A strong launch sets you up for long-term success. Prepare before going live. Listing fully optimized, inventory ready, images and keywords in place. Before launching, make sure your listing is fully optimized, your inventory is in stock, and all images and keywords are ready. Amazon PPC campaign. Sponsored products ads. Target main keywords. Run an Amazon PPC campaign targeting your main keywords. This drives traffic directly to your listing from day one. Offer a competitive price. Introductory price. Set an attractive launch price to encourage buyers and generate your first sales faster. Use social media and external traffic. Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. Direct links to listing. Promote your product on social media or through influencer collaborations to send extra traffic to your listing. Monitor sales and adjust. Track daily performance. Check your daily sales, ad spend, and keyword performance. Adjust bids and keywords to improve results. Up next, Step 16. Getting your first reviews. Once your launch is underway, it's time to collect reviews, one of the most important factors for ranking and sales.